Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace your main battery and auxiliary battery on Mercedes-Benz ML 2011 is this model, but probably this applies on every ML. So yeah, you need to remove the seat, or if you're lucky and you want to kill yourself, you cannot do that. But yeah, this is the main battery. There is got two bolts. It's 13 mm, very deep one. I found this magnet very helpful. After I remove the bolts and that plate, I take it apart with this and I put it back in. This is a magnet. Okay, and the auxiliary battery, this is just there. You can see it. It's over there. In order to reach that, because there is not enough room between the main battery and the floor, you will have to take the main battery out, and there is two connectors they need to pull out. See, and they just pull out, and there is another bolt. Let me see if I can focus on it. It's the one steel one with 10 mm head, and this cover is just lift up, and that should do it. You can see over there, just a cover that holds the battery in place. Yeah, the seat is got 4 bolts. I think it's E12, I'm assuming, or it's got this kind of head. I think it's E12 or E11, something like that. And it's very easy to take out. It's just very heavy. I didn't disconnect the seat belt, so I just rested in there. Also, it's got these plugs. It's 1, 2, 3 plugs, and yeah, those to remove it is got on the sides. Those clips needs to press it one against other, just squeeze it, and this come out. The other one the same. Yeah, on top you will find this this cover go like that, and this plate, this is the heat plate from rear passengers. So this was just pressed into the thingy. After I remove this clip, this is just a plastic clip. After I remove it, I was able to take it out. And yeah, this goes there, and this one, after you put everything together, it just sits like that. So you just need to take it out, no clips, nothing. Even on this one, you just need to squeeze this size a little bit, so just to make room for that to get out. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And those, how's this called, just a cover for the seat rail. After you remove the bolts and lift a little bit the seat, you will be able to remove those as well. So yeah, bear in mind not to forget about those. This is just sits there, so it's nothing fancy. This cable just sits nicely in there, and yeah, you have plenty of room. And after you remove those 2 bolts, you can just lift it up, the battery, and slightly in an angle, because of this thingy is not gonna let you do this job very easy. Just don't forget about this battery exhaust pipe. And yeah, pretty much that's it. When you put it back in, just make sure it's pushed all the way to the end, and use some bar or something to push that plate towards the battery to hold it nicely in place. Tighten it up, and yeah, job done. With the other one, a little bit more hard, but it's not impossible. You can do it. Right, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Any comments, you can write me down below. See you next time.